everyone, it's Tammy. I guess I should put this way, turn that frown upside down, huh? This is something that I got from a company called ParKoo Shop, and I will leave the link down below. They sell on Amazon, and they asked me if they could send me a sample of some of the products that they sell so I could do a review. And I was excited because it's pens. So of course I said absolutely, I would love, love, love that. And I didn't tell them what kind to send or anything, and it seems like they kind of know me, because like maybe they watched some videos, because they sent me some really cute. Okay, so these are gel pen refills of black, red, and blue, which is awesome. And then they sent me these erasable gel pens. So I thought that was pretty cool. I am excited about trying them. I thought I would just try each color. And let me get out a piece of cardstock. And these are erasable. Of course, you have to be smart enough to figure out how to open it. There we go. So you just push this down. So this one writes in pink. Oh, there's a gel stopper on the bottom. It writes very smoothly. I love that it just started writing as soon as I put the pen down. That doesn't always happen. Very pretty color. And then, oh, I kind of smeared it a little bit. Let's erase it. Wow. Wow, that erases really well. Well, I'm pretty excited about that. I do still have some of the gel on the end, I'm seeing, and I think that's what made it kind of look funny. There we go. And then you just click it again to get it to close. And this one is green. Dennis and Tracy love green. Dennis is my husband and Tracy is one of my very best friends. And this one's purple. Janie loves purple. These are so nice. They really do write very well. I keep wanting to push the top to make it go down, but so here's the blue. That's a pretty blue. So it is kind of like the friction pens. I mean, it just takes some pressure to get the ink to erase. But how cool is that? Red is awesome. Oh, here's another blue one. So this is a different shade of blue. That's really cool. I like that there's 2 shades of blue. I don't even know which one I like best. I love blue. I love all colors. And this one is, ooh, this one's kind of a neat shade of black. It's like a gray. It's almost like a greenish. Nah, not really. It's more gray. This is a cool color. Tammy, Katie, Alex, Dennis, Taz. Oops. Jambo. Buzz. Got them all. So the longer it's been sitting, the easier it is to erase. Like let's put one there and let's put one here. And then if I try to erase this one right now, it kind of smears. I don't know if you guys can see that. It like doesn't erase super well. But this one that's been there for a little minute, it erases really well. So my suggestion would be just to let it sit for a minute, but even so, you can get it off. That's pretty cool. Now it doesn't go away totally. You can still see that something was there, but I mean, you're erasing a pen, so that's pretty cool. And then these are erasable refills. So it looks like it's this blue, which is this one. I'm pretty sure. Let's just double check. Yes. And red and black. So how very nice of them. Thank you so much for these. I really do like them. I think that these are wonderful. I'm happy and blessed to have these in my collection. So thank you very much for sponsoring this video, and thank you very much for sending them to me. This is a totally unbiased opinion. I told them that I would be happy to review their product as long as I could tell them my honest review, and they said sure. So let me just look really quick on my email to see if there was anything that they needed me to say about anything. It says I sent you the 5 colors or the 7 colors and the refills. Before the video, could you please read the description of the product on product detail pages? Oh, okay. They want me to tell you for sure the different features of the erasable pens. I'm trying to open this up. Well, they made it so doggone small I can't read it. Well, these, I'm just going to tell you, these are erasable pens. They are great for writing, drawing, sketching, etc. They are heat erasable and can restore colors by cooling to refrigerator. What? I don't know what that means exactly. Like, if I make it cold, it will restore the color? I wouldn't do that because I don't put things in the refrigerator. So I'm just going to leave it at this. I will leave, like I said, the link to the product again below, and this is under the brand ParKoo, P-A-R-K-O-O, which is right here, which is really kind of cute in the way that they write it anyway. And yeah, I hope that you guys will try these, give them a whirl, because it's very nice. So thanks so much for watching, guys. And I guess I can tell you what it says here. Write, remove, rewrite without damaging documents. Apply to students' writing. New thermosensitive gel ink that disappears with friction using the rubber tail tip of the pen with no residue and no tearing of paper. Smooth writing gel ink, tip 0.7 millimeters. If pen is exposed to extreme temperatures, the ink will disappear. To restore the color, cool to at least -10 degrees Celsius in the freezer and the ink will reappear. How cool is that? Use hair dryer also can make the color disappear if coloring on fabrics, products, or wallpaper. Not recommended for signatures, examination papers, or official documents. Water-based non-toxic ink. The ink has been passed the test. Colors black, blue, red, turquoise, purple, green, and pink. So I guess this one they're calling turquoise. And this one they're calling blue. Is that right? Maybe that's opposite. This one is blue. No, this one is turquoise. This one is blue. So there we go. I mean, but you get all 7, and they're really pretty. I love them. So thank you very much for sending these to me, and I hope I did it justice. Thank you. Bye-bye.